Hello and welcome to another update video on Link. Link has performed really well over the last few days. Just a quick update because the larger time frame hasn't changed. The market has reacted nicely to our support area here on the 5th of June at the golden ratio level, 61.8 retracement, and the wave 2 was technically complete. So we then saw an additional 5-wave advance as confirmation that this wave 2 correction finished. Indeed, on the 5th of June, 5th of June. So this 5-wave move was next level confirmation, next degree of confirmation. Just next confirmation, really, that Circle Wave 2 bottomed and Circle Wave 3 is now unfolding. Where should Wave 3 take us? So talking about the larger third wave, should take us to $27.82 at least, but only if the micro pattern continues to play out here. Next, let's say next piece of evidence we could get here that we indeed bottomed in Circle Wave 2 and that we are moving up in Circle Wave 3. Well, it's the next degree of 5 waves. So getting these 5 waves completed would be the next degree of confirmation. And we already have Wave 1, Wave 2. I think the third wave could get one more high. I would prefer that. Then another 4 and a 5. And this would give us Wave 1 of Circle Wave 3. And then the next pullback could be Wave 2, and it should hold a higher low if these 5 waves complete as well. So it's looking good, but I need to see a little bit more price data, and I need to see that additional 4-5 pattern. I would prefer, though, if the internal third wave here gets one more high at least, because we have not yet reached the 138% extension. That is one of these ideal targets, like the first ideal target for a third wave. It's not an absolute must, but it would be ideal if the price could get there in this third wave, then hold a higher low in wave 4, and form a higher high in wave 5, would give us everything we need to complete this wave 1 of Circle Wave 3. In the meantime, I would also prefer to keep the upside pressure alive, that the price does hold above this Fibonacci level, $14.50, yeah. Why is it relevant? Because it is the 50% retracement of the currently unfolding rally from the 9th of June low. That's the so-called third wave. And the wave 4, whether this large one or the small one here, should avoid a break below the 50% Fib level. It basically indicates a break of structure. It means that sentiment is shifting. But as long as we're holding above that level, sentiment is kind of in the same bullish mode. Okay, also, it is the previous swing high. So you see here this previous breakout line. And this might be tested. You know, we might do a retest, even though that would already be quite deep for a fourth wave. But due to the volatility in the crypto sector, wouldn't necessarily be unusual. But then from there, we might see that upside continuation. Yeah, so you have support. You have the next targets. And to be honest, the third wave is likely still unfolding. Again, one more high would be ideal, $15.78 to $16.20. And then eventually that 5 wave should push even a little higher, maybe into the $17 to $18 range. That's the update on Link. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.